Webcams at KSBY.com, powered by Surfline. Not only do you see what's going on, you know whether or not the water's safe and what the temperature of it is, and that's all available on our website. This is 101, San Luis Obispo. We've been watching the rain. We've been watching the traffic. No major problems so far, but slick roads definitely. Temperatures, upper 50s, low 60s. As anticipated, a tight grouping of temperature. Winds, which had been fairly strong out of the south, still are. Southeast sustained 16 in San Luis, some gusts to 25 miles per hour, just under advisory criteria. So the system is on top of us right now. It's really interesting. This is big plume of moisture that didn't quite hook up with the front. Had they come together, this could have even been a bigger storm. Up in the Bay Area, San Francisco has about 3/4 of an inch. You get into the Central Valley, some places up to an inch. At the 3,000-foot level locally, at Rocky Butte, we're at about 1 3/10 inches, but elsewhere we're under a half so far. But again, rainfall with embedded heavier pockets still moving across the area. That's going to happen between now and essentially midnight. It's going to move from the north to the south. So at some point here, the north coast, it's going to wane. It'll pick up in the San Luis and Santa Maria areas and ultimately in Santa Barbara as we go through the overnight. So just north of San Luis, pretty good pocket. You can see just light rain now, but more heavier rain just off the coast. Now, none of these rain rates falling fast enough for us to be concerned about debris flow in the Thomas Fire burn area. However, this air mass destabilizes overnight. We can't rule out isolated thunderstorms. If that were to happen, we have to watch. But again, no advisories. There you can see that front kicking out. By tomorrow morning, we're back to just widely scattered light showers with a trend toward clearing in the morning hours. By afternoon, it's going to look amazing. Those skies that have been so murky with the particulate matter from smoke, they will clear significantly. Now, Friday, there's another system in Northern California that will be very impactful. For us, maybe a scattered shower on Friday, that would be about it. Temperatures held down in the 60s by all of this activity. Local rainfall, wide range from fairly light to about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches on the high side, additional rain between now and through tomorrow. Now, this is Northern California. Higher elevations could see up to 5 inches of rain. Donner could even see more than that. The Bay Areas could still see another 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. Southern California, maybe some pockets exceeding 1 inch of rain, but in general, it will be a lighter rain outside of that thunderstorm threat that also exists down there. Mountain snows. We're talking about feet of mountain snow possible. And by the way, when you watch the parade tomorrow, keep in mind New York City is going to be about 24, 26 degrees or so with wind chills that will make it feel in the teens. Why not just huddle up to your TV and watch KSBY and see how high they fly those balloons? If the winds are up, they're going to fly pretty low. That could be pretty interesting tomorrow. Mid-60s would be about it for daytime highs. We're going to see some rebound in temperatures as we get into the weekend. 70s resume. Could be some locally breezy conditions on Saturday as well. But I like the weekend travel conditions driving back from wherever you're going. Most of the activity will wane. Later next week, just outside of this forecast, by Wednesday, Thursday, another series of systems could douse us again. So much more information available at KSBY.com, my social media, and the weather app. That's all the time I have. Richard, Kathy, back to you.